Train Vietnam, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking around the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Nha Trang city and beaches filled with ocean breezes. Love the architecture, love the energy. Walking around in the train, by the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam. Take a stroll in the train, gives what you need, clears your mind, on your train, Vietnam.
Okay, we're gonna go through a busy market. It's right there. But before we go down, there's a big symbol of the city. Lots of tourists everywhere. And we're on the main street in front of this kind of cool looking building. There's lots of beautiful hotels behind me, and beautiful hotels down that way too, and beautiful hotels down that direction. So we're gonna go down to this market and show you what it looks like. There's the flag. Oh yeah, Nha Trang, Vietnam, up on the map. You can see exactly where we are. And we're gonna be walking through a night market, so you can buy all kinds of stuff here. It's right next to the beach, so that's really convenient for tourists. So anybody that goes to Nha Trang will probably walk through here, almost guaranteed. So I also have, I think there's 18 Nha Trang videos, I think, so we're about halfway through. That means I'm gonna be uploading another one maybe once every 5 days, and I still have another 8 or 9. And I have lots of back ones, so at the end of the video you can hit some of the thumbnails and view some of the past ones, and you can also subscribe and catch some of the future ones of Nha Trang. And the music, I created the lyrics and I fed it into an AI program and told it what genre to put it in. So those lyrics are going down the screen right now. And then we're gonna do the walk and talk right now as well. Nha Trang, Vietnam. All right, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna go down to that market. For some reason the camera looks really nice tonight. Okay, so this is, I think it's kind of a main tourist attraction actually. So we're gonna go in and show you what it looks like, show you what's in here as well. There you go. Let's go check it all out. Looks like that looks like kind of nuts and t-shirts here. So you kind of got a big mix of things. Hats. T-shirts. Hello. Jewelry as well. bags. So I believe this is one of the bigger markets. I think it's this one. And I think if we go, I think this is the one that's kind of the outside one, but if we go inside, it's interesting, a lot of people are wearing white. Put in the light. Okay. And I think that this actually goes, I think to the left, I think that one space right over there, that building, we're gonna try to go into that in a moment. I think there's an entrance coming up here. Clothing. Let's see. This is a restaurant. It's a restaurant. Choose.
Здравствуйте, у вас сейчас деньги закончились?
Okay. Actually, looks like I almost got through it already, and it's only just a few minutes into it. Okay. So from here, I didn't expect to finish it that quick. Okay. I think that this is another market in this building right next to us. There's actually some places to sit up top there. It says Mango Coffee. So yeah, the beach is right next to us, basically. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up. Okay, so that's the market right there. Then we're gonna go into the street a little bit. This Hong Vuong Street is supposed to be kind of a main street to Nha Trang, which is the one we're on right now. And I think what I'm gonna do is we just walk out of the market, but I'm kind of curious to see if I can get back into the market by going around the corner. And one thing you're going to notice around here is there's a lot of Korean in particular here. So I kind of see like almost all of the signs have Korean letters on them. So our market was right down that corner. And then right in here, there's places to sit outside. Thank you. And then I saw this one earlier, which there's a bar at the top. I think it's a rooftop bar. There's also a place you can get drinks, colas, and I was through here earlier. Nice and air conditioned too. So I think that says Panorama, so I think that this is a place to get tickets to go up to the top. Currency exchange. So I am going to go out. That's the tourists in this area. And I kind of want to see if I can get in that building right there. That's the one that I'm looking at. Okay, so we're gonna try to go in that building. Happy Light Hotel is right there. Okay. So I'm gonna try to go into this one with all the hearts. See if I can get in there. So I think that is also part of the same market, I think. So we're gonna find out in a minute. But I was expecting to have some entrance into it from the other side. Let's take a look. I guess it's just a mart. Souvenirs. Hello. That's a souvenir shop. Oh, okay. Thank you. So, okay. So I guess that this is a souvenir shop. So I'm not gonna go in. The beach is right down that way. And there's basically kind of more of a market shop everywhere throughout. Morales down that way. I'm gonna turn the camera off for it now.
Walking around the train by the time you view this. I'll be gone, but I'll miss you, Vietnam.